Mini fridge with cooler and warmer. Small 4-liter large capacity portable compact fridge. Super quiet in-vehicle freezer for cars, homes, offices. Cooler and warmer dual mode. The mini fridge uses semiconductor technology and has a powerful dual system of cooling and heating for easy switching between cooling and heating. AC/DC power mode. The small refrigerator is equipped with AC/DC power dual mode. Easily switch modes according to your needs, suitable for a variety of scenarios, not only for home, kitchen, office, dormitory, but for outdoor traveling by car, busy taxi, enjoy picnic and so on. Stylish mirror design. We use tempered glass to design a stylish high-quality mirror door for the small refrigerator, which makes it look smooth and beautiful, dirt-resistant and easy to scrub. No matter where you are, it blends perfectly into the environment. Maximum portability. Take this fully insulated cooler warmer from the house, on your road trip, and into the hotel room to keep medication at the right temperature. The convenient carry handle makes transporting what you need even easier. Stow it in any car, truck, or SUV, or place it on or below your desk, so your goods are always within reach. Multifunction dual system mode makes the function of the mini refrigerator diversified. Its cooling function can be used for refrigerating beverages and fruits, or even your skincare products or medicines. The heating function can be used for warm milk, breast milk, bento, hot drinks. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.